everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of health and wellness. Have you ever wondered what the carnivore diet does to your gut health? It's a hot topic these days, and for good reason. Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm diving deep into the truth about the carnivore diet and your gut microbiome. We'll look at the science, the debates, and what it all means for you. First off, let's talk about what happens when you switch to an all-meat diet. This diet eliminates all plant-based foods, focusing solely on animal products. Studies suggest that within just 24 hours, your gut microbiome can undergo significant changes. This rapid shift can be quite surprising. We're talking about a spike in inflammatory bacteria like allostipes, bilophila, and bacteroids. These bacteria are often associated with inflammation and other health issues. And a drop in anti-inflammatory bacteria such as Roseburia, Eubacterium rectale, and Ruminococcus brommi. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in keeping your gut healthy. This shift can lead to a decrease in short-chain fatty acids like butyrate and acetate, which are crucial for maintaining gut health. These fatty acids help nourish the cells lining your gut and keep inflammation in check. But hold on a minute. Before you jump to conclusions, let's consider another perspective. Not everyone agrees that these changes are harmful. In fact, some people believe the carnivore diet can offer unique benefits. Some proponents of the carnivore diet argue that it can actually help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like inflammatory bowel syndrome or IBS. They claim that by eliminating plant-based foods, which can sometimes be irritants, they experience significant relief. By cutting out potential irritants found in plant-based foods, some people might experience temporary relief from gut issues. This can be particularly appealing for those who have struggled with digestive problems for years. Yet here's where things get tricky. The carnivore diet is still relatively new, and there's a lot we don't know. The long-term effects of the carnivore diet on the gut microbiome are still a gray area. While some short-term studies show promising results, we need more comprehensive research to understand the full impact. There simply isn't enough research to tell us whether these changes are beneficial or detrimental in the long run. Scientists are still exploring how an all-meat diet affects our bodies over time. Plus, removing dietary fiber, which is abundant in plant-based foods, can lead to digestive problems like constipation. Fiber is essential for keeping our digestive system running smoothly. So, what's the bottom line? While the carnivore diet can cause rapid changes in your gut microbiome, we still don't fully understand the long-term consequences. It's a complex issue with many factors to consider. It's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the risks and consult healthcare professionals before making any drastic dietary changes. Your health is too important to take chances with. Remember, your gut health is a vital part of your overall wellness. A balanced diet that includes a variety of foods is generally the best approach for most people. Stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. See you next time.